Imagine standing on a windswept hill, the night sky unfurling above like a vast tapestry woven with threads of starlight. Each star pulses with secrets older than Earth itself, whispering tales from the universe's fiery birth. On July 1st, 2025, one of those whispers erupted into a cosmic roar. Astronomers at Chile's Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, ATLAS, detected a staggering intruder, 3I/Atlas, the third confirmed interstellar object to breach our solar system's boundaries. Racing at a blistering 58 kilometers per second, its 7-kilometer wide nucleus, larger than Mount Everest's towering 8.8-kilometer height, marked it as a titan among cosmic wanderers. Its trajectory, erratic and unbound by the sun's gravitational leash, sparked a global firestorm of curiosity and wonder. As it blazed past Mars on October 3rd, 2025, telescopes like Gemini North and the European Space Agency's ExoMars orbiter captured haunting images, a faint green glow enveloping a teardrop-shaped coma, with a massive jet of gas and dust shooting toward the sun like a defiant cosmic breath. By October 21st, 3I/ATLAS slipped into solar conjunction, cloaked behind the sun's blinding glare, leaving humanity in a state of breathless anticipation. Was this a comet, forged in the crucible of a distant star billions of years ago? Or something far stranger? The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, our sentinel into the cosmos, has been rewriting our understanding of the universe. Its October 2025 images revealed early galaxies, chaotic, gas-swollen nurseries of stars, that challenge the accepted 13.8 billion-year cosmic timeline. Some theorists even propose a universe stretching to 26.7 billion years, though mainstream science holds firm at 13.8. Yet 3I/ATLAS, with its peculiar path and lack of a typical cometary tale, feels like a page ripped from a science fiction epic, daring us to question everything. The emotional weight of this discovery is profound, a visceral pull at the heartstrings of human curiosity. Are we alone in this vast cosmic sea? 3I/ATLAS stirs a primal yearning to connect with the unknown, to unravel the mysteries of the stars. Picture astronomers around the world, their eyes glued to screens, hearts racing as data streams in. Families, unaware of the cosmic drama, gaze at the same night sky, dreaming of what lies beyond. This object is more than a rock. It's a beacon, a call to adventure that binds us all. If your pulse is pounding, smash that like button to join this cosmic quest. Drop a comment below. Is 3I/ATLAS a natural relic or a sign of something greater? Share this saga with friends to ignite their wonder. Let's journey back to where this cosmic tale began, to the first spark that lit the fire. Rewind to October 19th, 2017, when the cosmos delivered a shockwave. Astronomers at Hawaii's Haleakala Observatory spotted an anomaly, an object zipping through our solar system at 26 kilometers per second, too swift to be bound by the sun's gravity. Named 1I/Oumuamua, a messenger from afar arriving first in Hawaiian, it was unlike anything seen before. Shaped like a cigar or a flattened pancake, stretching 100 to 1,000 meters, it tumbled wildly through the void, its brightness fluctuating by a factor of 10 every 8 hours. No cometary tale trailed its path, yet it exhibited an inexplicable push away from the sun, defying the predictable dance of celestial mechanics. Feel the chill of that moment, the electric realization that something from another star system had wandered into our backyard. The Spitzer Space Telescope, peering deep into the void, found no traces of dust or gas, yet that mysterious acceleration persisted. Harvard's Avi Loeb, a fearless voice in astronomy, dared to propose a radical idea. Could Oumuamua be a light sail, a thin artificial construct propelled by the gentle pressure of starlight? The notion sent ripples through the scientific community, igniting debates that still burn in October 2025. Most astronomers lean toward natural explanations. A fragment of a shattered planet, perhaps, sculpted by eons of cosmic erosion or tidal forces. No signals or maneuvers have confirmed alien origins, but the question lingers like a half-remembered dream, fueling both wonder and unease. Oumuamua's passage was a wake-up call, a reminder of our smallness in the cosmic tapestry. Picture the astronomers who first spotted it, their hands trembling as they processed the data, knowing they were witnessing history. Imagine the public, catching wind of the discovery, their imaginations alight with visions of distant civilizations. This wasn't just a rock, it was a spark, igniting humanity's eternal question. Are we alone? The emotional depth of Oumuamua's dance lies in its ambiguity, a mystery that invites us to dream bigger. If this chapter has you starry-eyed, hit that share button to spread the awe. Comment below. Would proof of alien technology thrill you or spark fear? Let's keep the cosmic momentum flowing as we meet the next interstellar traveler. On August 30th, 2019, a lone amateur astronomer, Gennady Borisov, turned his telescope to the heavens and caught a glimpse of something extraordinary. Speeding through our solar system at 32 kilometers per second, 2I/Borisov announced itself with a blaze of glory, unfurling a radiant cometary tail as it approached the sun on December 8th, 2019. Roughly 1 kilometer wide, this interstellar comet was a cosmic firework, fragmenting under solar heat in a spectacle captured by telescopes worldwide. Its composition, rich in carbon monoxide and laced with molecular ratios distinct from our solar system's comets, hinted at its birth around a red dwarf star, a distant alien forge that set it adrift across the galaxy. The emotional resonance of Borisov's arrival was seismic. Unlike Oumuamua's silent enigma, Borisov was a loud declaration. Interstellar objects aren't rare anomalies, but regular pilgrims crossing light years to visit us. This realization reshapes our cosmic perspective, making the universe feel less like an empty void and more like a bustling galactic highway. Picture the moment of discovery. Borisov, a backyard astronomer, realizing his modest telescope had captured a piece of another star system. The world's observatories turned as one, their lenses drinking in the comet's fiery breakup, a reminder of the cosmos's raw, untamed power. Creation and destruction danced in tandem, each fragment a story of origins lost to time. But Borisov's tale dives deeper, touching the very roots of existence. Panspermia, the radical idea that life's building blocks hitchhike across the stars on comets like this one. By October 2025, studies led by David Cow at Thomas Jefferson High School for Science and Technology estimate a mere 0.001% chance that extremophiles, microbes tough enough to endure supernovae, gamma rays, and the harsh vacuum of space, seeded Earth 4.5 billion years ago. The odds seem daunting, yet JWST's October 2025 discoveries of complex organic molecules like methanol, ethanol, and even glycine in the icy envelopes of distant stars bolster the case. Borisov's ices, rich in carbon monoxide, could have carried such molecules, depositing them in the primordial oceans of young, habitable worlds like Earth. Imagine the emotional weight of this possibility. Are we descendants of cosmic travelers? Picture a comet like Borisov crashing into Earth's molten surface eons ago, its frozen cargo thawing in steaming seas, sparking the first flickers of life. The math is brutal. Cosmic rays erode most objects before they reach us, and only the largest, like Borisov, might shield microbial passengers. Yet, JWST's recent surveys confirm billions of rogue planets drifting through the galaxy, each a potential cradle for life. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory, set to open in late 2025, will spot dozens more interstellar objects, refining these odds and fueling dreams of cosmic kinship. Borisov's fiery passage wasn't just a spectacle, it was a mirror, reflecting our deepest questions about where we came from and what else might be out there. This chapter burns with wonder, possibility, and the thrill of the unknown. It's a bridge between cold science and the warm pulse of human curiosity. Pause here. Does panspermia stir your soul? Like this video, drop a comment with your thoughts. Could life be a galactic gift? Share this to spark debates among friends. Now, let's rocket to the heart of our story. Now, we stand at the pulsing core of our cosmic saga. 3I/ATLAS, a colossal wanderer that demands our awe. Discovered on July 1st, 2025, by Chile's Atlas. This 7-kilometer wide behemoth towers over Oumuamua's slender form and Borisov's modest frame. Hurtling at 58 kilometers per second, faster than its kin, it carves a hyperbolic path, a clear outsider unbound by our sun's pull. As it swept past Mars on October 3rd, 2025, ESA's ExoMars and Mars Express captured breathtaking images: a teardrop-shaped coma, a massive sunward jet of gas and dust, and a faint green glow, despite lacking the carbon chains typical of comets. On October 21st, it slipped into solar conjunction, hidden by the sun's glare, leaving humanity holding its breath. The emotional stakes are sky high. This isn't just a rock, it's a cosmic enigma, a riddle etched in starlight. Harvard's Avi Loeb, ever the visionary, updated his theories in October 2025, suggesting Atlas could be a mothership deploying probes. Its nickel-iron signatures, detected by Keck Observatory, evoke industrial alloys, and its erratic tumbling defies comet norms. Spectroscopy from the Very Large Telescope, VLT, reveals CO2, water ice, and OCS, carbonyl sulfide. But that nickel without iron? It's a puzzle, possibly from ancient collisions in a distant system, not alien engineering. Yet, as it neared perihelion on October 30th, 2025, its volatile jets intensified, hinting at potential fragmentation, a dramatic finale, or a new chapter. Atlas's origins deepen the mystery. Traced to the Milky Way's halo, 10 to 12 billion years ago, it's a relic from the universe's youth, perhaps born in a supernova's fiery death or a stellar collision. Imagine standing on an alien world, watching this titan coalesce in a cataclysmic blaze, only to wander for eons before brushing past Earth. The emotional weight is staggering. A visitor from the dawn of time, carrying stories we can't yet decipher. Astronomers like Chris Lint at Oxford dismiss Loeb's claims as nonsense on stilts, attributing anomalies to natural outgassing. But the debate fuels our imagination. What if it's a derelict craft, adrift for billions of years, or a natural giant, sculpted by forces beyond our grasp? This chapter thrums with the thrill of the unknown, a cosmic call to adventure. If your heart's pounding, drop a like and share your wildest theory in the comments. Is Atlas a natural wonder or a sign of something greater? Let's keep the energy soaring as we explore the shadows it casts. Beneath Atlas's celestial spectacle lies a darker, earthbound intrigue, thick with suspicion and unease. In August 2025, a little-noticed executive order redefined NASA, transforming it from a beacon of exploration into a hub of intelligence and national security. Overnight, it became a spy agency, launching satellites to monitor not just the stars, but Earth's secrets. Union rights were stripped, sparking lawsuits and outrage. Why the shift? Private players like SpaceX, with over 7,000 Starlink satellites by October 2025, and Blue Origin's reusable rockets have outpaced NASA's aging SLS program. SpaceX's Starship landed on Mars in September 2025, a triumph NASA can't match. The emotional undercurrent is raw. Is this about control or fear of cosmic unknowns? Imagine a dimly lit Washington office, where analysts pore over ATLAS's data, whispering about its anomalies, its nickel-iron composition, its erratic trajectory. Could it hint at something we're not ready for? The Kuiper Belt, that icy realm beyond Pluto, hides its own enigmas. Astronomers hypothesize a massive body, Planet 9 or a brown dwarf, warping distant orbits, its gravitational pull felt but unseen. JWST's October 2025 images of turbulent early galaxies, puffed up with gas and defying our 13.8 billion year cosmic timeline, fuel speculation of a universe twice as old, perhaps 26.7 billion years. The 1977 WOW signal, a 72-second burst from Sagittarius, aligns eerily with some interstellar object's origins, its mystery unsolved after nearly 5 decades. The emotional tension grips us like a vice. Are we being watched? NASA's pivot feels like a strategic move in a game with stakes we can't fully grasp. Atlas's size and speed evoke a cosmic wildcard. Natural or not, it challenges our place in the universe. Picture scientists debating late into the night, torn between awe and caution. Private telescopes, like those funded by Yuri Milner's breakthrough initiatives, scan for signals NASA might miss, their $100 million seedy commitment driving a golden age of discovery. The public wonders, is this about labor disputes, as critics claim, or a response to cosmic threats? This chapter crackles with suspense, blending cosmic wonder with human intrigue. If it's got you questioning, hit that like button and comment. Does NASA's new role spark hope or dread? Share this to unravel the mystery with friends. Let's plunge deeper into humanity's response to the stars. What if 3I/ATLAS isn't merely a cosmic rock, but a probe sent with deliberate intent? John Gertz's 2025 paper, Interstellar Diplomacy, paints a vivid, urgent vision. Humanity teetering at a crossroads, facing the possibility of first contact with an extraterrestrial intelligence. The emotional core of this moment is unity, or the catastrophic chaos of its absence. Gertz argues passionately for a global treaty to govern our response, warning that a single nation acting unilaterally could irrevocably shape humanity's future. Picture the scene. One country hails the probe as a diplomatic envoy, offering olive branches and open channels. Another, gripped by fear, primes missiles to strike it down, while others, lost in awe or panic, fall into worship or irrational frenzy, treating it as a divine omen or a harbinger of doom. The stakes are nothing less than existential, a test of whether humanity can rise above its divisions to meet the universe as one. This scenario isn't abstract, it's a pulse-pounding possibility. Imagine a probe like Atlas settling into Earth's orbit, its sleek form glinting under starlight, broadcasting messages in our languages: English, Mandarin, Arabic, gleaned from decades of radio signals leaking into space. Gertz envisions an artificial intelligence aboard, capable of real-time dialogue, bypassing the light-year delays that would stall communication with its creators. The emotional weight is staggering, awe at the prospect of connection with another civilization, tempered by dread of misunderstanding or malice. Would we greet it with open hearts or cower behind walls of suspicion? The 1977 WOW signal, a 72-second burst from Sagittarius, still unexplained, looms as a reminder of how close we've come to such a moment before. Its alignment with some interstellar object's origins only deepens the intrigue, stirring a primal hope that we're not alone. Panspermia weaves a parallel thread, grounding this cosmic drama in the question of life's origins. September 2025, findings from NASA's OSIRIS-REX mission, which returned samples from asteroid Bennu, revealed a treasure trove: amino acids, sugars, and water-bearing minerals, the very building blocks of life. These discoveries, paired with JWST's October 2025, detection of complex organics like ethanol, glycine, and even polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons in the icy envelopes of distant stars, fuel the panspermia hypothesis, that life's seeds ride comets across the galaxy. Yet, the numbers are sobering. Studies led by David Cow estimate a mere 0.001% chance that extremophiles, microbes tough enough to survive supernovae, gamma rays, and the vacuum of space, seeded Earth 4.5 billion years ago. Atlas's massive 7-kilometer size offers a potential shield for such microbes, but its silence, confirmed by SETI's exhaustive scans in October 2025, dampens hopes of biological passengers. Still, the dream persists. Could we be children of the stars, our DNA woven from cosmic threads? The Vera C. Rubin Observatory, set to open in late 2025, will transform this quest, spotting up to 7 interstellar objects yearly and refining our understanding of their frequency and composition. Proposed missions like ESA's Comet Interceptor, slated for 2029, and NASA's Interstellar Object Explorer aim to chase these wanderers, analyzing their ices to unlock the chemical histories of distant star systems. Imagine the emotional surge of a spacecraft brushing past an object like Atlas, its instruments probing for traces of alien worlds, perhaps a frozen record of a planet long gone, or even a hint of engineered materials. But Gertz's warning looms large. Without a global framework, our response to a true probe could fracture us. Picture a world where nations compete to claim or destroy it, each driven by fear, greed, or ideology. The emotional stakes are personal, yet universal. A scientist's hope for discovery, a parent's fear for their children's future, a dreamer's longing for connection. This chapter pulses with hope, dread, and an urgent call to transcend our earthly divisions. It's a mirror reflecting our potential to unite, or to falter, when faced with the infinite. If this vision stirs you, smash that like button and drop a comment. How would you greet an alien probe? Diplomacy or defense? Share this with friends to spark a cosmic debate that bridges borders and binds us to the stars. Let's close with the eternal questions that echo through the void. Our cosmic journey circles back to the stars, where 3I/ATLAS fades into the void post-perihelion, its faint jets a final whisper in the cosmic symphony. Dennis McKenna's words ring true. The bonfire of knowledge expands the surface layer of ignorance. Each discovery, Atlas's nickel-iron anomalies, its origins in the Milky Way's halo 10 to 12 billion years ago, spawns a constellation of new riddles. Was this titan forged in the fiery death throes of a supernova, its molten core cooling as it drifted through the galaxy's infancy? Did it witness the birth of stars we'll never see, orbiting worlds long since dust? The emotional weight is profound. We are fleeting sparks in a cosmic fire, yet we dare to ask questions that echo across eons. The universe humbles us with its vastness. JWST's October 2025 images of chaotic early galaxies, swollen with gas and defying our 13.8 billion year timeline, hint at a cosmos far stranger, perhaps 26.7 billion years old, though mainstream science holds firm. The 1977 WOW signal, a 72-second burst from Sagittarius, remains an unsolved enigma, its alignment with some interstellar object's origins a haunting coincidence. Atlas itself, with its erratic tumbling and sunward jets, defies comet norms, its nickel signatures evoking industrial alloys yet explained by natural collisions. Each answer is a doorway to more questions, a reminder that the universe is not a puzzle to be solved, but a story to be lived. Imagine the human side, astronomers in Chile, their breath catching as Atlas's green glow fills their screens. Families worldwide, sharing grainy images on social media, bonding over the mystery. Children asking, "Is it aliens?" with wide-eyed wonder. This is more than science. It's a shared human experience, a thread weaving us together under the same starry sky. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory, nearing completion in 2025, will flood us with data, potentially spotting dozens of interstellar objects in its first decade. Missions like ESA's Comet Interceptor and NASA's proposed Interstellar Object Explorer could one day touch these wanderers, analyzing their ices to reveal alien histories, perhaps a chemical fingerprint of a distant protostellar disk, or a trace of something engineered. But what if one of these visitors carries a message? John Gertz's call for interstellar diplomacy feels like a lifeline, urging us to prepare for a moment that could redefine humanity. Picture a probe broadcasting a greeting, its words resonating in our languages, learned from decades of radio leaks. Would we respond with unity, crafting a message of peace? Or would fear fracture us, nations vying for control? The emotional stakes are visceral. Hope for connection, fear of the unknown, and the weight of our choices. Atlas, fading into the cosmic dark, is a mirror reflecting our dreams and doubts. It asks, will we rise to meet the universe with curiosity, or shrink from its vastness? This saga isn't just about Atlas. It's about us, our curiosity, our fears, our dreams of connection across the stars. As Atlas vanishes, it leaves a spark. Keep looking up. The universe is alive with stories, and we are part of them, our questions echoing into eternity. Final CTA. If this journey stirred your soul, smash that like button to keep the cosmic fire burning. Share this saga to spread wonder across the globe. Comment below. What's your hope for the next interstellar visitor? Contact, discovery, or something else? Let's keep the stars in our hearts and the questions alive, forever reaching for the infinite.